I am not too pleased with this product. I purchased it on Amazon, and whoever is the vendor, what you advertise is not what I received. I'm expecting the stainless steel a little heavier. Look at this, 2 fingers, and I'm picking this whole thing up. It's not even sturdy. The grills, they bent fast. I got to straighten them up again. The whatever you want to call this, pole or whatever, it bends. Got to straighten it up again, and it's just so light. It's not even what I thought. I thought it was something a little heavier. I have to put electric appliances on this. This is not going to hold them. Now, look at this. 2 fingers down below. I can take 2 fingers, see, 2 fingers, and I'm picking it up. This is not to put sheets or curtain. This is to put electric appliances that that's what I purchased it for. Wow, I'm totally disappointed. And please don't tell me to bring this video down, because this is...
So if you can see, this entire unit is really unstable. All I have to do is push it a little bit with my finger. All I'm doing is tapping on it, and the entire unit is wobbling. I would not put anything on here. I did put a wire rack on here earlier. The legs are just not even going. And if you see here, you can
tape.